View new homes. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss new awesome homes like these.
Welcome, View New Homers. Let me take you on a virtual tour of this charming antique brick home that could be your dream come true. As we approach the property, you'll notice the expansive acreage that surrounds the home. It's perfect for your animals or simply to enjoy the luxury of space. Stepping inside, you'll find yourself in a cozy living room that exudes warmth and comfort. Adjacent to it is the dining room, where you can host delightful dinners for family and friends. The heart of the home, the kitchen, has been recently updated with modern amenities, ensuring a seamless cooking experience. This home offers more than 3 bedrooms, with 2 conveniently located on the first floor. Each room is a sanctuary of peace, offering the perfect end to your day. For your vehicles, there's an attached 2-car garage with brand new doors. An additional feature of this home is the wood furnace located in the backyard. Although it hasn't been used for a few years, it could serve as an alternative heat source. The home's construction is robust, with double brick walls and insulation between the bricks and sheetrock. There's also an attic for extra storage, making sure every inch of the home is utilized. For equestrian enthusiasts, there's a horse barn complete with storage, stalls, and fields. The cherry on top? The home's fantastic location. It's close to the village, lakes, and skiing areas, offering a blend of tranquility and activity. Priced at $296,900 by the time of recording this video, this home is an invitation to a life of comfort and convenience. Come, take a look, and step into your future.